Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really unique and interesting strategy to make a lot of money online. This is going to be a case study how an Instagram page became a company and started earning a lot of money. Okay, I'm going to explain to you the entire strategy, entire process of how they grew the Instagram page, how they made money out of it, and how you can replicate their strategy to make money online. And you can also build up your strategy and your company using Instagram. Many of the people are doing it and making a ton of money because you don't need to invest a single dollar. Still, you can make an entire company out of it, and you can have almost 5 income streams just with one Instagram page. What is that niche and what type of Instagram page you need to grow, how you will create that type of content, all these things will be covered in this video. So watch this video till the end, and if you are not willing to start this type of business and not willing to make any money online, then do skip the video. It's fine. Okay, let's get started without wasting any of your time. Let me get a bit smaller, because if I stay here big, I will disturb you. So now we are on the side of the screen, and let me show you and let me reveal to you. Okay, so here you can see that this is an Instagram page. Okay, now let me show you what this page really does. Okay, and you can also replicate this strategy. Okay, this is one of the Instagram page from India. Okay, and you can see what this page does is that this is a line which is written in Hindi language. Okay, and what they are basically doing is that they are just translating that line into English language. Yes, and they are just uploading this type of content on Instagram, and you can see they have got almost 300,000 followers. Okay, and they are making a ton of money with more than 5 income streams just with this Instagram page. You can also do this and make some great money online. So you can see this is very simple content. Okay, you can do it in any language. Okay, you can do from Spanish to English, you can do from different languages to English language. Okay, so that's possible for you. Okay, so you can do from French to English. You can grow this type of Instagram pages and you can make a ton of money. All they are doing is that they have created a branded logo. Okay, and they have made this branded and they are following just one theme for the content so that their page looks really branded. And this is the entire company which these people have built up using this very simple Instagram. Okay, so all they are doing is that typing one line in Hindi language. Okay, so this is a line in Hindi language, and you can see they have just put in the translation of that line into English. Now anyone can do this type of translation using Google search. Okay, and they can really create this type of very simple content. In the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can make this type of very simple content using Canva. Okay, I will be showing you one of the tutorial of how you can do this. It really just takes 1 to 2 minutes to make this type of content and make some money out of that content. Okay, so now you can see that it's really very simple. Okay, so you can see this is the Hindi line which is written over here. So this you can write a Spanish line over here and then translate it to English. Okay, you can write a Russian line over here, translate it to English, because in every country there is an audience, or there are people who are willing to learn English or who are willing to learn a foreign language, and all those type of audiences, you can target those audiences using Instagram just by making this type of very simple content and very simple Instagram page. Now this page is really some time old. This page has been launched 2 years ago, and I have been following this Instagram page since a long period of time, and day by day they have built up, and you can see that they have created 5 income streams with this simple Instagram page. Let me show you what are those income streams with which this Instagram page is working and making money, and how you can also replicate this type of Instagram page in other languages. I'm not saying that you should copy this Instagram page. I'm just saying that you can replicate the strategy of business, online business, which they are using to make money online. Okay, so this is really simple. Let me break down all the ways and income streams with this Instagram is making money. Instagram page is making money. Okay, so you can see that They have almost 1600 posts, and they are having almost 300,000 followers. Okay, and you can see now the money part, from where they are earning money. Okay, so the first thing they are earning money is the YouTube channel. Okay, so with this, after launching this Instagram page, they have gained some followers, and after that they also launched their YouTube channel. Okay, and probably they are monetized on YouTube, and they are making money with their YouTube channel. So that's the first revenue source of income. Second revenue of source of income is that mobile application. So they have created this type of page, and they have also launched a mobile application of this. Okay, of this translating and all that stuff. So you can hire a developer on fiverr.com or upwork.com, all those websites, and ask them to make a mobile application for you, and you can have a ad mob approval on your mobile application, and you can make some great money just by running ads on your mobile application. So these are the two streams of income. Okay, now the third stream of income is blog. Yes, they are also having their entire blog on which they are driving traffic through this Instagram page, and they are also earning money with AdSense approval on their blog or website. Number 4, they are selling their own books. Yes, due to this channel, they have built a lot of following, and that's the reason why this Instagram page owner can sell his own books. And the fifth source of income is that they can also sell their online digital courses. Okay, utilizing this page. Now, if this person who has made this Instagram page, he creates an online course on how to learn English language, then most of the audience which he has built up on this page are gonna buy his course, and he is also gonna make money out of that. So these are the 5 strategies and 5 income strategies with which this Instagram page is making a lot of money, and that is more than $5,000 every single month. You can also make this type of money. All you need to do is make content just like this, replicate the strategy, don't copy, just get inspired and understand. You can do this in many languages, because even if you don't know any of the languages, you can just use Google Translate and make this type of very easy and simple content, and you can start making money really very simply just with this type of Instagram page. Then you can launch your YouTube channel, you can launch your mobile application, you can launch your website, you can launch all the other stuff. You can write your own books. You don't need to write your own books. You can hire someone on fiverr.com who will write a book for you, and all you need to do is sell that book to your audience, and you can start generating a lot of income just by selling this very simple stuff. Okay, and this is something which anyone can do, because YouTube is a bit difficult. Not everyone is able to do YouTube. Not everyone is comfortable with showing their face on camera. Not everyone will be able to make money with YouTube, because it's really, and it takes a lot of effort to create YouTube videos. But Instagram is really easy for those who aren't able to work on YouTube, or who don't have that time. They can invest their time in creating this type of content. All it will take is 10 minutes a day. You have to make some posts and upload those to Instagram and grow your page day by day. Okay, I'm not saying that you will get rich quick with this, or you will start making money in 2 to 3 days. It will take some time, but you can make a ton of money with this very easily, as well as you can also earn money through sponsored posts, as well as you can do affiliate marketing. All these things are possible with this type of Instagram pages, because the content creation is very easy. Now let me show you how you can make this type of content. All you need to do is go to canva.com, okay, and you just need to search of Instagram post. Okay, once you search this, you can find all this Instagram post. Okay, now Canva is absolutely free, so you can use Canva for free. Okay, so you don't need to pay any money for Canva. That's the reason why it becomes really awesome, and you can make this type of content really very easily. Okay, so you can use Canva and just you can create this type of content. Okay, so you can see that I have just found a line in Hindi, okay, and I have pasted that line over here. Okay, and here is the translation of that line, and here I have added my logo, which is Moneymaker. Okay, so you can do this very easily on Canva. Okay, there are a ton of tutorials which are available on how to use Canva on YouTube. Check out some of those tutorials, or in so many of my videos I have shown you how to make Canva graphics. Okay, and you can create this type of very simple content using Canva just within 10 minutes a day. Upload those content to your Instagram page, and eventually you will start making money. It won't be like super fast money that you make content one day and you will be starting, so you will start earning on the next day. It will take some time. Let it grow, let your business flourish, and after that you can reap the fruits of your business. So this is something which you need to understand. This is something which is a case study. This is something, a different type of content which I am presenting on my YouTube channel. You won't find any affiliate marketer showing this type of detailed strategies on making money online or all this other stuff. Okay, because the lot of affiliate gurus won't be telling you, because they keep all this type of strategies really very secret, because all these are organic traffic strategies, and these strategies drive a ton of traffic. These strategies make a lot of money, but affiliate gurus won't tell you about the strategies. And that's the reason why I have created this YouTube channel, where I am providing you all this thousands of dollars of free value, so that you can make money online. I was also one of yourself who was stuck into a 9 to 5 job, and I was trying to make some money online. But since I started my online business, I was able to succeed in my online business, and that's the reason why I am creating these videos, providing you all the free value. And sometimes I recommend some of the products, but those products are really genuine products which I myself have used, and those products really work for me, and that's the reason why I recommend those products as an affiliate. So there is one product, link is there in the description, which is known as YT Supremacy. This is one of the product which teaches you how to do affiliate marketing using YouTube. It just costs $15. Okay, so don't worry, there are not many upsells. All you need to do is buy the product for once, learn all the strategies which they teach you how to do affiliate marketing with YouTube. It's really simple and really a great way, because you are getting $5,000 worth of value in just $15 product. And that's the reason why I am recommending that product, because the more you invest in learning yourself, the more you make the money. Okay, so that's something which you need to understand. As well as you can check out all these other videos on my channel. They will provide you a ton of value on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And there is our Instagram page which you can follow. Okay, let me show you our Instagram page, which I have recently launched, and this is that Instagram page, which is 001 Moneymaker. Okay, so you can follow me on Instagram. Here's the page. Okay, and you can follow me, okay, over here, and you can DM me, or you can message me any of the questions or queries which you are having. Don't just send hi messages, ask questions, and I will make videos on your questions, solving your problems. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.